Beautiful day in Tennessee. Roger's hooked up to a big one. Let's see what the master has to offer. The rest of the crew.
Are you videoing?
Yes, sir.
Take your picture
You
video.
got Ty in the background there as our captain. You got Reed as backup to put water on the reel when necessary, or vodka and Roger. Been fighting them now for about 5 minutes.
5-pound mudcat.
I've been figuring out what the Colorado goat is. Run y'all over the place. Hang on, Roger. We'll turn the boat.
Run under the boat. Captain's changing it around. Could be surfacing at any minute.
Headed for the rocks.
There's a big rock pile out here. He's headed for the rocks. Holy, he's bigger than mine. Holy shit.
Yeah, we don't want to lose this puppy. No?
That's a 35.
Jesus. Oh,
Jesus
yeah.
Christ.
Now we're talking a fish, Bennett.
He might weigh 40 pounds.
Man,
Show
looks
that
like
damn minnow back.
Looks like a bait compared to mine.
He might weigh 40 pounds.
Record fish here.
He ain't Moby Dick, but he's Moby Pecker.
Holy moly. You ain't gonna be able to hold him out there like that. Alright, what's the weight?
42 pounds.
42 pounder. Alright, Roger.
You ain't gonna keep it, right?
We better have that one stuffed and mounted.
Did I tell you, wait till you get one of them 42 pounders on?
Uh-huh.
Isn't that what I just said?
I know it. You called it.
If you want to mount him, I'll hold him for you.
Ignore that, kids.
Looks like
Roger
you
can't,
eat it.
Roger can't get it. Holy
Make that son of a bitch fast.
You're good.
Stick
Got
your
him.
hands out there. A little bit further. A little bit further.
You got him.
Put him up there.